Ladies of Reddit, what's something a guy has done that instantly made you think, wow, he's different in a good way? I'm a type 1 diabetic, and I wear a pump which is basically a machine that helps track my blood sugar and give me insulin accordingly. When my blood sugar gets too low or too high, the pump makes noises, a low tone for low BS, and a high tone for high BS. My SO figured those tones out. One night I was sitting on the couch scrolling, and my pump signaled I had low blood sugar. He was in the kitchen, and without a word being said, went to the fridge and brought me a juice box. I didn't know he knew, and it felt really good to feel understood and that someone was actually taking the time to know me and my disability. We had only been dating for 2 to 3 months at this point. Reply: I'm a type 1 diabetic too. 3 to 4 months into dating my now wife, she comes to me one day saying she'd done research into the CGM I use, and said if I ever wanted to, she would like to install the app that lets her see my levels via my phone. She said she knew I could look after myself, but she liked the idea of someone else one day also being able to help me. Fell in love so quickly. 1 year anniversary coming up.